Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, it's a 32-inch Samsung LED TV. Here in this TV, the complaint is blue tint issue. Here you can see a blue colored tint issue on the display. It's because of this faulty backlight. In this LED backlight strip, you can notice that one of the LED shows blue color tint issue. See friends, you can see this is the reason for blue tint display issue on the panel. So to repair this TV, we need to replace these backlights with a new one. See friends, these are the two new backlights. So I am going to replace these backlights with this new one. It's a 3 volt LED strip. Here each individual LED is of 3 volt. So here we now fixed the new backlight. So now the backlights are fixed properly. Now we can test the new backlight using LED checker. See friends, the new backlights are working properly. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.